Yeah, hi Amadeusz, how's it going?
Hi, it's going very good, thank you. And you?
Great to see you. Everything is great, yeah? And I'm so happy that finally you have your new strong light, yeah?
Exactly.
So you have the very strong loupes, 6 times magnification from Univet. Is that not too much for you? It's
Exactly.
a lot, huh?
After 5 years, I can tell you it's really it was very good decision. It's to be honest, not too much. If you want to start with a microscope, you need at least 4 or 5. So this is like a small microscope.
Yeah.
To be honest, we have in the dental office microscope as well. But with loupes, I'm quick, I'm fast. I can work under pressure, and I'm exactly so good, and with quality is
as a microscope.
Like a microscope.
And how long did you take to get used to the loupes? It's stronger than like the normal 2.5 or 3 times or so?
Actually, it was not a problem. It was maybe a couple of days, maybe 2 weeks. My recommendation is to start with some small stuff, small fillings, maybe to plan a little bit longer. But after a very short time, you will get used to this. And at the moment, I'm not able to imagine work or even make a contract without my loupes. Yeah, really, I'm.
And the price? It's not cheap, huh? I mean, these loupes cost more than the normal simple loupes, huh?
It doesn't matter. It's worth it. Really, it's worth it to buy it. These loupes I have over 5 years.
Yeah.
So it's a good investment, and after 5 years or 6 years, I buy now the new
light, yeah? The new strong light. Okay, great. Well, good to know you're happy. Thanks a lot, yeah? Take care. Ciao.